Good morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Hannah. Welcome to a special edition of our show all about the future of ASB for next school year.
Today, we're bringing you exclusive interviews with students running for ASB positions.
Their goal? To build a stronger school culture through events like football games, rallies, lunchtime activities, and more.
Let's check out what they have to say. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Rylan.
What position are you running for?
I'm running for ASB president.
Hi, my name is Madeline Resendez.
And what position are you running for?
I'm running for vice president.
My name's Frankie.
And what position are you running for?
I'm running for treasurer.
What's your name and what position are you running for?
My name is Chelsea Furman and I'm running for secretary.
Hi, what's your name and what position are you running for?
My name's Gabriella DeVelbis and I'm running for ASB secretary.
What leadership skills do you have to benefit ASB?
I'm good at managing my time and I'm good at rallying a big group of people together.
My leadership skills involve being able to bring people together, community, and bring them towards a common goal.
I have really good communication skills and I'm able to put my word out there.
I could bring people together and have really good communication with my peers.
I'm very punctual and I communicate very well with other people.
What's one of your favorite events here at Highland and why?
My favorite event here at Highland is homecoming because there's so many different aspects to it. There's the floats, the football game, the rally, and I just like being involved in all of it.
Oh, definitely homecoming. There's just so many parts of it, like the dance, the football game, the food trucks, the floats, and all those stuff.
My favorite events here at Highland are Ranch-Shambo because I feel like a lot of students really do participate, so I hope to make sure that happens every year.
One of my favorite events here at Highland probably has to be the blood drive because I feel like by you giving blood, you're giving someone else an opportunity to live their life.
I really like going to the football games because I love seeing everyone dressed up and supporting the Scots football team. Go Scots!
What do you hope to accomplish at Highland and in ASB?
I want to increase our school spirit and make Highland more of a community.
Probably just, getting people together more, just school spirit wise, encouraging people to come out of their shells a little bit.
I hope to make Highland a better community and have everybody actually want to come to school and just enjoy being here.
I hope to accomplish a fun, more inclusive and better community, I don't know, maybe just having everyone more close together instead of everyone being separated. I feel like maybe sometimes juniors and seniors are together and then sophomore and freshmen are together or we're all apart, so maybe bring it all together.
Hey Scots, if you already know who you want to vote for,
scan the QR code on the screen and cast your vote now.
Hey juniors, grab your phones and scan that QR code.
Freshmen and sophomores, you do the same.
Seniors, don't waste your time please because your vote will not count at all. Thank you.
Now let's go back to the interviews. What strategies do you have for increasing school spirit?
I want to have more activities like Rochambeau, more activities that bring people out of their comfort zones.
Yeah, just like I said, getting people to come out of their shells, not forcibly, just encouragingly, making you guys comfortable, but not overwhelming people.
Mm-hmm. I hope to better advertise our activities here at Highland and to improve how we come together as a community.
Some strategies I have is probably having more games around campus, just bringing people together. That's all I can say.
I hope to make everyone at Highland feel welcome and that they're appreciated and just that it's cool to be here at Highland.
And why do you want to be a part of ASB?
I want to be a part of ASB just to make Highland more of a community and bring people closer together here.
I want to be a part of ASB because this past year I've been a part of it and I've been able to see what they do and how they do it, and I want to be part of that even more so this coming year.
I want to be a part of ASB because I just want to make a better change and I have that drive to hopefully have an impact on the school.
I just feel like it's very fulfilling and it's just amazing to be part of a little community and creating a little family.
I'd like to create more opportunities for people to participate here at Highland and show people that it's fun to uplift their fellow Scots.
Do you have a joke in the room with us?
I do. Do you want to hear a pizza joke?
Yeah.
Nah, it's a little cheesy.
Finally, why should everybody vote for you?
You should vote for me because I'm a really involved student. I'm in a lot of clubs here at Highland and I'm in cheer and Red Cross. I'm great.
Period.
Yes.
And do you have a joke to share with us today?
I do actually. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
So, do you know how to stop a rhino from charging?
No.
You take away its credit card.
All right. And why should everybody vote for you?
You guys should vote for me because next year I'm going to make it really fun.
And finally, why should everybody vote for you?
Everyone should vote for me because I feel like I can make a better change for Highland.
And finally, why should everybody vote for you?
I think everyone should vote for me because I feel like I can make an impact. I think I'll be a really good candidate, so yeah, please vote for me.
And do you have a joke in the room with us?
What did the bison say to his son when he left the ranch?
What did they say?
Bye, son.
All right, and why should everybody vote for you?
I think everyone should vote for me because I am a friend to everyone. I want to make sure everyone feels welcomed and included and appreciated.
Scots, the QR code is back on the screen.
Cast your vote now.
Your voice counts here at Highland.
Remember, your voice truly makes a difference.
And that's a wrap for today, Scots.
Don't forget, voting closes at 4 p.m., so make your voice heard.
And as always,
Remember to plaid up.